Hi students, now coming to the next topic, LEGB role. In the previous video, I explained about the introduction of scope. So what is scope? Scope is nothing but lifetime of a variable. So what do you mean by lifetime? The duration for which a variable is alive is called lifetime. So what do you mean by lifetime? The duration for which a variable is alive is called lifetime, which means how the variables are looked in our code. It determines the visibility of a variable within our code. So that is called as lifetime. Okay. Now let us see what is the LEGB rule. Okay. This LEGB rule is used to decide the order in which the scopes are to be searched for a scope resolution. Okay. So the variables are searched in the order of highest to lowest or lowest to highest in the scope. Okay. What is the full form of LEGB? So L stands for local and E stands for enclosed. G stands for global and B stands for bulletin. Okay, L means local, E means enclosed and G means global, B means bulletin. Okay, so here this block is called local, this block is called enclosed, this block is global and this block is bulletin. So this is the searched order of the variable. Okay. These are the four types of variable scopes. In this local scope, the variable is defined inside of the class or function. We can define the variable within the function or within the class in local scope. Okay. And what is enclosed scope? In enclosed scope, the variable is defined inside the enclosing functions. Inside the enclosing functions. Next, what is global scope? So this global scope is defined in uppermost level. It will come at the beginning of the script. And what is bulletin? The reserved names are used in bulletin functions. Reserved name means special names. Okay. Or we can say this modules. Okay. This is about the four types of variable scopes. This is the example. So in this example, this is a variable, x is a variable. It is given in uppermost level. So this variable comes under global scope. So this x is called as what? Global variable. Global variable, okay. And one function is created, display. Within that function, another one variable is defined. Okay, x is equal to inner x variable. So this variable is defined within the function, inside the function. Okay, so this variable is called what? Local variable. Okay, local variable. So what do you mean by local variable? The local variable is defined within the function. Here display is a function name. We have declared this x variable within this function. So this is called local variable. Okay, this x is called local variable. And global variable is defined in uppermost level. Okay, it is defined in the beginning of the script. So this x variable is called global variable. So for this code, we will get the output is outer x variable and inner x variable. So here we got the different outputs for these statements. Here we declared same variable in two places in different scopes. Different scope means this is local scope and this is global scope. We declared one x variable within the function definition and we declared another one x variable outside of the function definition. Okay. This fourth statement prints the x value. What is the x value? This value. Okay. Outer x variable. So it prints outer x variable in the output. And next in fifth statement we execute The display function. So which variable comes under this display function? X variable. This variable comes under the function display. Okay. So this fifth statement prints the inner X variable in the output. Okay. Here first this statement is executed. After that this statement is executed. So there is a rule. It prints the output based on its order. According to that order only, execution of variable has to be selected. Okay. But you can see here, the same variable is used in local scope and global scope. Even the variable name is same, they are not same. Okay. Because it's like two people with the same name. This is one person, this is another one person. Which means this is one variable and this is another one variable. Okay. Because you access this variable within this block only. After that it will be destroyed. So this X variable is called another one X variable. Okay. So these two are not same. So let's write another one example. This is the display function. The variable is defined within the function is called which type of scope? Local scope. Okay. This is local scope. So here this A is called local variable. Okay. So here lifetime of this variable A is only within this function. If you try to display this variable name out of this scope, which means outside the function, it will show the error message. That message is A is not defined. So when you try to display the value of A outside of a function, this program shows the error message. So I hope now you clearly understand about this concept.